Hey, Colby here with M&P Yacht Center. Come on, check out this 2023 Beneteau Antares 11 with me today. Starting off the tour of this 23 Beneteau Antares 11, we've got this massive cockpit area here. So when you drop the engines in the water, this seat slides back and it gives you more space around the dining table. The dining table flips open, so it can double in size, but it also moves around the cockpit. So there's multiple locations, so you can have it sitting this way or that way if you want to integrate it into one big long table with the interior table. Outside, we also have drop curtains, so if the weather's not great or for winter storage, the curtains come down and they do get stored up here, which is a really neat feature of the boat. So you don't have to have them all rolled up in your face. But really cool on this boat is this opening sunroof. So this whole canvas package here slides forward and you can just have this great opening sunroof for everybody in the back of the boat here. But that's not all. You also get this fold down terrace off to the starboard side. There's a couple railings that can fill in if you want to have a little bit more protection, but it really just opens up the size of this cockpit. So you can have a couple director's chairs move around, makes that smaller boat feel that much bigger. Speaking of a bigger boat feel, you've got this nice walkway. So moving forward, you can just have a nice handholds as you go, moving up, and it's really comfortable. You're not having to shimmy or scoot as you go. You can just walk along the side up to the front of the boat. Coming inside, you can pop through this starboard door into the salon galley area here. So similar to the aft table, the table opens up, doubles in size. It can drop down to kind of form another berth if you want to convert it to a sleeping berth. And then off to the port side here, this backrest flips back this way so you can have 3 people facing forward if you're out for a drive. To starboard, we've got our galley. We've got a 2-burner electric stove. We've got a diesel generator. So if you want to do some cooking, we've got a microwave and a fridge. You can fire up the diesel generator and all this works. As well, we've got reverse cycle air conditioning up here. And so the summer you can get cold air, and the winter you can get warm air. There's a unit downstairs and up above. The boat has tons of natural light. So windows, 360-degree windows all around. We've got 2 skylights above. And then here, these also open up and slide back for you as well. So both sides open, huge opening door to starboard and an opening window to port. So lots of light, lots of air coming into the boat. Up here at the helm, we've got the Garmin touchscreen, so full of Garmin electronics with the radar and sounder as well. We've got the Fusion stereo, Mercury, twin Mercury 300s with super low hours on them, still under warranty until 2026. We're actually just sitting here on skyhook mode right now, so we're just floating and the boat is holding us in position. But when you have the joystick, you also get autopilot and auto heading. And this boat is also equipped with a zip wake, so that helps level you out, acts like a stabilizer as you're moving through the water. So as you can see here, great visibility, great panoramic views, single pane window on the front of the boat as well. So you don't have to have any stanchions in the middle of the windscreen. So in the aft port section, we've got a really nice layout, so you can actually have 3 kids sleeping in there or a couple as well. Off to starboard, we've got a pantry layout with a deep freeze refrigeration for those extended trips. And as we move forward, you have a really nice kind of owner's head with an ensuite door. So you've got a full shower, separate toilet. And then here, I'm a tall guy, I'm 6'6", so there's lots of space. Got this Island Queen mattress set up. Opening port lights on both port and starboard with lots of natural light again. There is a hatch that opens up forward. Great storage, even tons of storage underneath here as well. Thanks for joining me for this tour of the 2023 Antares 11. This boat is virtually brand new with warranty until 26. It's got a great sun pad seating out here with this nice cabana that flips up. If you have any questions, you want to come check out the boat, I'm Colby Vaughn with M&P Yacht Center down here in Cole Harbour, Vancouver.